Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the secrets of one of the most advanced missiles in the world, Python-5 missile, and why many call it a secret weapon. The Python-5 is a fifth-generation air-to-air and air defense-capable missile that stands out due to its cutting-edge seeker technology, full-sphere attack capability, high maneuverability, and combat-proven record. Right off the bat, what sets Python-5 apart from older missiles is what Raphael calls full-sphere launch capability. This means the missile can engage targets in virtually any direction, ahead, to the side, or even behind the launching aircraft. That's achieved through a combination of its advanced seeker and flight control design, which lets the missile lock onto a target either before launch level, lock on before launch, or after launch. Lock on after launch. The seeker itself is a major leap forward. It uses a dual band imaging system combining electro-optical and infrared imaging built around a focal plane array. Countermeasures. In short, it sees what older missiles wouldn't. Once launched, the missile's aerodynamics give it extreme agility. With a body built for maneuverability, including multiple control surfaces, Python-5 can perform aggressive turns and follow highly evasive targets, keeping a high probability of kill even if in terms of raw performance, the missile is roughly 1 meters long, weighs about 105 kg, carries a high explosive fragmentation warhead of around 11 kg, and is powered by a solid propellant rocket. Its effective range exceeds 20 km, giving it enough reach to handle both close-in dogfights and engagements near what might be considered short to medium range. Its first operational use came in the 2006 conflict with Lebanon, when it was fired from F-16 fighters to shoot down unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs operated by militants. In more recent years, there have been reports of it being used to intercept hostile drones and UAV, underscoring its effectiveness against modern asymmetric aerial threats. Because of this combination, advanced seeker, full sphere engagement, high maneuverability, solid warhead, multi-role potential air-to-air and air defense and combat, proven record, many... It adds a layer of unpredictability. An enemy aircraft might think it's safe because it's behind or off to the side. But with Python-5, that's exactly where it becomes vulnerable. It can also be integrated into ground-based air defense platforms when configured for surface-to-air roles, which expands its utility beyond traditional aerial dogfights. Thanks to its advanced imaging seeker and robust flight control algorithms, it can ignore many of the common tricks used by enemy aircraft, such as flares or evasive maneuvers, and still maintain lock on target that dramatically increases kill probability even under challenging combat conditions. In modern warfare, where stealth, drones, surprise attacks, and electronic warfare play increasingly large roles, having a missile like Python-5 shifts the balance. It means aerial superiority isn't just about radar or long-range engagements, but about quick reaction, flexibility, and the ability to neutralize threats from unexpected angles without needing a Because of these traits, Python-5 is widely regarded not just as a conventional short-range missile, but as a next-generation weapon that blurs the lines between close-in dogfight missiles and medium-range air defense systems. Its versatility ensures that it remains relevant even as aerial threats evolve. While Python-5's range is impressive for a short